Love how beautiful it is. So why I'm so excited about the beautifulness of this. Okay, look at this. This is the one we have right now. I don't even know what happened to it. It got so dirty and gross, and I'm so excited to retire that and have this beautiful lighter instead. Really easy to charge. I love that it shows you the lights as well that show you that it is charging. So that's really cool. It's charged up, so let's put this beauty to the test. Check that out. Yes. I love how easy it is. All I'm doing is hitting this little button right here. Okay, I got a nice candle. Would love to show you how simple it is to light. This is bendable. So if this candle was down farther, I wouldn't burn myself with like matches or anything trying to get in there. So it's gonna be so simple. Beautiful. I turned the lights down a little bit just so you can see better. This lights up too, which I love how that illuminates. Now this particular candle is low, so let's see how simple it is to light my candle when I can't even reach in there if I try. There we go. Easy breezy. Works so well for lighting candles, and it's just pretty. It fits with the aesthetic. All right, let's put it to the test with the fireplace. Ready? Wow, okay, that worked so well, so simple. It even has a little hook on the end for easy storage. So you can choose if you want to hang it for storage, or of course you can just fit it right into a drawer. So simple, doesn't even take up a ton of space. Overall, I am very impressed.